Hi, welcome to my little Weblate instruction video that aims to show you how you sign in Weblate and how you are going to use it to do the translation for us. First thing, to register, I might have already sent you an email. If not, please contact me that you need an account for Weblate. I will show you my email address. So if you already gave me your mail, or so, you might find in your account email of Weblate, where you click on invitation to Weblate and you are able to confirm the invitation. Now I do so. When you confirmed, you can create your username. Just call me Weblate user with the full name user. And you kind of just have to type in the answer, just 8. So now the registration is almost complete. Please don't forget now to go again to your mail account, check your inbox, where you can now confirm your registration. Clicked on the account or on the link, you can now change your password. Please use any password. Now you get to a page where you're able to choose the interface language, which I strongly recommend just using your mother language. I now stick to English. Next step is choosing the languages you can translate to. So that might be the languages that you should translate. So please choose those. I, for the example, now choose French and German plus English. And secondary languages, if you speak some more languages than only the one, then just choose the secondary languages because they will be displayed for you as well, which might make it easier to understand the context of the words you should translate. So secondary languages, I still just stick to those 3. Now you click on Save. It will lead you to this web page dashboard, where you will later see your watch translations and the suggested translations that you should do. We now start with projects and browse all projects. And now you see our project BIMmTool. Here you see the parts that we've already translated with the unfinished words and some other stuff. We now click on this. The component in the beginning that should be translated is ERC file. As we want to have this appearing in our dashboard, we just say we want to watch project BIMmTool. Now, what you should translate is ERC files. Now you can click on the languages that you want to translate, for example, now French. And here you will find beginning the translation status. The goal is that it will reach 100%. And you will here see the string state. At the moment, we have 898 strings for French, and 888 are already translated and are fine. The other ones are problems which you should solve, and you should click on. So next we start with the unfinished strings, which are here at the moment 10 words. This is the example what happens if the source language changed. Source language is in our case German. So if we change one word, it will later appear for you with the toggle box needs editing, that you should look at it and see if the changed word appears to be changed for you. As the word here is still right, you just untoggle the box and click Save and Continue. And then the next word is shown for you. Again, here, 3 points were deleted in the source word. You see that here are no 3 points, so you can untoggle the word and click Save and Continue. This should be done for the rest of this part. I just, for training purposes, go back and we look at another part. Now we look at untranslated strings. Here you see the untranslated words, and same as the one before, but at this time you have to type in the French real word. There's also the possibility to use automatic suggestions, where when it's loaded, it will show you some suggestions from DeepL that you can accept if they are right. Maybe it makes you the translation process a little bit easier. Here you've also got the opportunity to just click accept. And right after accept, you get guided to the next part that you should translate. If we now go back to the word, you see now the part of DeepL is inserted and it's fine. In this way, or when you type it in yourself, you can click yourself through all the words that need to be translated. I go back again. Next part is strings marked for edit. That's the part that we already seen. This is always when there got something changed at the source change. So next part is unfinished strings without suggestion. Again, here you see the part of French, and you see that in the source language there is a point. In French there is not a point. Also there is an error message that you need to check that there is a full stop missing. This might help you to find the problems. As we would like to have everything in the same manner, I just add a point here and click Save and Continue. This is kind of same again, add a point, save and continue. If you're not so sure about the thing you want to say, like just takes the suggested change, but you're not quite sure if you want to keep it or not, you can just click on Suggest. And then this part will just have a suggestion here that you can view and that you can take, accept, or say no. Yeah. In this manner, you click yourself through all of it so that kind of everything is gone on red dots. The only thing that is allowed to stay is translated strings with dismissed checks. This is possible to be created if you get an error here, for example, things to check, reuse translation, but you say, okay, I can't change this problem. Actually, it's right. It's a problem of Weblate to show me this error, even though it shouldn't exist. So you click on Dismiss. Next thing, which is really important, is that you still have to save it. For example, save and stay, or save and continue to get to the next word. You now go back again. you will find the word with dismissed checks in the translated strings with dismissed checks. Like somewhere here. Okay, here it is. In this part, you already also have the opportunity to reset it again, because you say, okay, now, no, it's actually a good error. It's important that it has to be changed. Yeah. Okay. So that's the part of me. If you still have any questions to Weblate, please never hesitate to contact me. Just write an email. We can also just have a little chat on the phone. And yeah, happy to hear from you and a lot of fun translating.